So hey everybody, I just got the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 5 here. I had a go and play, but it had some problems with passive radiators and a battery problem. So I got this instead. It was around 150 euros and the go and play costed me like 250. So 100 euros cheaper. Let's look at it. So here's a quick little unboxing for you. And I think we could do a little sound test too. If I don't cut myself here, that would be funny. Came in a box like this from Amazon. God damn. It's a nice tape. Okay. I've heard a lot of good things about this one, but it's a mono speaker. The Onyx Studio 6 is already out, but this one's cheaper. Okay, so here it is. Let's look at it. Oh, nice. This little speaker here. Okay. Let's remove this tape here. Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. I will move you a little higher if I can. Yes, I can. Oh, nice. I think, yeah, I'm recording in 4K. I hope so. So here we have some accessories. Let's pull them out. It was raining, but there's still now. So hope it's all okay. Here it is, the bad boy. Oh, goddamn. So, here is the bad boy. Oh, it looks amazing. God. Whoa. It's really small, god damn, but it looks sexy. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. So here is the Onyx Studio 5. It's a bit hefty. Let's turn it on. Yeah, this laggy thing. That's funny. It didn't have a problem with the play. Zoom in a bit. Let's try connecting it. Very curious how it sounds, so let me load up something. It's just mono. I really don't like that about this one. Oh god damn. That's some nice punch. Oof. Hell yeah. Feels very good. The build feels very refined. Oh god damn. It's very nice. It's much nicer than the Go and Play. Playing this here. God damn. has some nice deep end. Very good. I don't know how you can hear this. Let me check. So my microphone is very far from the speaker and the results aren't very good now, I have to say. So after this I'm going to record a sound test for this speaker, and yeah, it should be good.